Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine and I'm excited to help you start your coding journey. Today we'll be diving into how to learn coding in Python as a beginner. In this video, I want to provide you with some fantastic app ideas, recommended a few must-read books, and a helpful journey to improve yourself in Python coding. Why learn Python? Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly language. It is great for web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. Learning Python opens up a world of possibilities. Firstly, for learning coding in Python, you need to know some basic codes to create a simple code, like print, input, int, etc. Then you should know how and where they work. You can find out about them by searching in a browser, or many videos in YouTube teach you basic things in Python for beginners. You can also use books to start your Python learning journey. For example, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by AI Swigart. Python Crash Course by Eric Madas. Learn Python the Hard Way by Z.A. Show. These books will help you a lot to improve yourself in coding Python. After getting some information and knowledge about writing codes in Python, you can start your Python coding journey. There are so many courses for getting challenges, interactive coding exercises, environment, and projects. You need to start coding with basic code. For example, print hello world, print input, enter your name. Number equals to 34. If number is bigger than 12, then print number is good, else print number is bad, etc. Practice and learn new codes for programming in Python. You can set daily goal for that. For instance, at least 25 minutes a day, because writing a simple code takes a lot of time. To get bigger achievements, you need to spend so much time with coding. I did like that and passed many levels in Python. After improving your coding skills, you can get ideas from ChatGPT to code interesting, useful, and simple code ideas, like simple calculator for basic arithmetic operations, rock paper scissors game for as a simple game, etc. There are so many coding ideas there. If you want to practice your Python skills with a free app, I can recommend you downloading and using an app called Mimo. It helps people to learn coding in trending programming languages. There are also other apps for programming which you can use for improving your programming and coding skills. For example, Solo Learn, Anki, Coding X. Even though I generally use Mimo to improve my coding skills. And here is some motivation words in a code. At the end of the video, I have a question for you. What is your most preferred method of learning Python? A. Online courses. B. Books. C. Projects. And D. Tutorials. Mine is C. Let me know your answers in the comment below. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more informational videos